Hi everyone! Today we're exploring the Rolling Knife Sharpener featuring 3 diamond discs and 5 Corundum discs for professional sharpening. This sharpener kit includes 4 magnetic angles offering precise settings of 12, 15, 18, and 20 degrees to suit all your kitchen knives. The rolling design ensures smooth and consistent sharpening, making your blades razor sharp with minimal effort. Diamond discs provide tough grinding power, while Corundum discs deliver a polished finish for ultimate sharpness. Its compact and ergonomic build allows for easy handling and safe use in any kitchen environment. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this sharpener helps maintain perfect edges for all blade types. Experience sharper, longer-lasting knives with this versatile and efficient Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.